Chapter 7. Agile transformations. Because you can do Agile in a team or in a single project, but before you know it, the more you will start to scale, the more you will need to transform the organization. But these transformations, they start with a single step. And that's to accept the shift to uncertainty. It's in the leadership team or in the management team that's responsible for the change, accepting that life is unpredictable and that we need different ways of working to deal with that uncertainty, with that agility, that speed in the market and in our organization. So if you can't make that shift, the acceptance of uncertainty, an agile transformation is likely to fail because you will just use it as a way of working, but in order to predictable. But the thing is that you first have to feel comfortable with uncertainty and then start the transformation. Second is that the transformations always start too soon or too late. It's never on time, and both are fine. I mean, if you're too soon, it makes sure that, when you need the agility in your environment, you're already ready for it. However, changing too soon is more cumbersome. You have maybe some challenges. There may be resistance. If you're too late, then you're suffering from being too late. However, there's no resistance. The energy to make the change is there because you're already too late. Transformations are, however, complex. You cannot make and draw up a plan for a transformation that you simply have to follow. So how do we deal with it? How do we deal with unpredictable situations that are complex and that we really cannot plan ahead? Right, we do it with Agile. So just as for projects that are unpredictable, we're using Scrum and we use an iterative approach to solve it, the same goes for transformations, because transformations are complex too. So find an iterative way. Make a small change, implement it, see if it works. If it doesn't work, fix it. If it works, repeat it, and on and on and on. So a transformation by definition is Agile too, and is iterative. But does it mean there's no recipe for transformations? Of course there is. Just as Scrum is a way to prescribe the way of working, there can also be a recipe for transformations that prescribes the steps to take. Though being iterative, you can still predict or prescribe iterative ways of working. And I think that's it. If you want to see the recipe, go to chapter 7, you will find it there. But however, if you have an idea, just start doing it, because you learn more from doing than from thinking. And that also is the case for Agile transformations.